What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Double J Outdoors. Dad and I decided to come down to the lease for the weekend and get a couple more things done before bow season starts. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we just had a major thunderstorm roll through. It's been raining down here for 3 or 4 days in a row, and I mean, it's muddy. So that should be fun to tackle. We're gonna get the bow stand put at the hill. We may even do some hunting tonight. Maybe some pigs will show up and we'll get a couple of those off the place. But you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Just got to the hill and we are getting the bow tent ready to be put in place. Dad did some landscaping, flattened out the ground just a little bit, and now we get the tent set up. Pull the bottom out.
You got one? You got a wall?
Yeah. I'll hold it.
Wall here.
A mare step. The logic with this tent is to keep ourselves completely hidden. No shadows, just complete black space inside the tent. So what we do is, obviously we have our shooting lane. The shooting lane consists of one small open window, and we use the little bobby pins here, and we just make, like I say, a very small window, and so that our shot of opportunity is very, very small. But the deer do not see you in there because there's no light, no shadows to be made. Little history lesson for you guys about the hill. So when we first wanted to get into bow hunting, we had a old tripod ladder stand that wasn't in use, and so we decided that, hey, let's put this at the hill. And as you guys can see, it was behind this tree and coverage was okay. Feeder's way over there. It's probably a 30-yard shot. Didn't work like we thought it would. Just stuck out like a sore thumb. The only thing that was taken out of it was a turkey. So we obviously started moving to the bow blinds, and that has been pretty successful. Got the finishing touches done in this tent. As I should show you guys, it's in its final spot. It's exactly where it'll sit. Show you guys what it looks like inside. All it is got a chair. That's it. And it's a little dark. So we opened up the slit a little bit more at the bottom. You guys, I'll show y'all. You can see the slit itself, and then it'll come out. You guys can see the feeder is right there, straight shot. That's about the only shot you're gonna get while sitting here at the hill, because you look right there, brush. If we were to open this window, you guys can see brush. So it's a direct fire to the feeder. Just got to Dad's area. all we're doing here is leveling his stand. The way we do it is, you guys can see these wires going up. It is on a turnbuckle here on 4 sides, and that's it. Easy enough. Headed to my feeder and gonna replace the timer. Got me a brand new one. And as you guys know, it rained, and you can really see fresh deer tracks. It's a big track right there. But that's what we're doing. And then we're gonna walk or ride to my stand and go look at that. Just got to the stand, opened it up. No wasps that I can see so far, but I think there's a dead mouse in the corner. I've been there a while, but it's interesting. Little fly. Oh. Alright. We done made it. As you guys can see, custom built right here in this spot. So similar to the hill, we drug all the wood pieces down and built it right where it sits. Need to come in here and sweep this stand out. Lots of dirt dauber nests and stuff from last year that never got cleaned. As you guys can see, the stand itself is starting to show its age. The wood is starting to crack, so Dad got some water sealer to do our stands, and we were going to do it this weekend, but it rained, so we'll have to wait. But yeah, it's getting pretty bad. You can see the cracks really well. Paint's coming off. It used to look really, really good. Well, Dad and I just got done eating dinner. Had some venison burritos. If you've never tried it, highly recommend making it, trying it for yourself. You know how we just got done doing the bow tent at the hill and, you know, working, making noise, got the new position for the camera? Well, check this out. At 3:48, you can see me. We're getting ready to leave. And at 4:13, we got deer in there. That's crazy. They must have been hungry. Not, what was that, about 20 minutes, roughly? These deer are hungry, but we're winding down and just gonna watch some college ball and hit the hay. Not sure what our plans are in the morning, but we'll see when we get there, and I will see you guys then. Y'all have a good night. Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful one at that. Got the sun rising behind me, if you guys can see. Got Sally and Max doing their business. Dad and I just got done eating some breakfast, and now we're gonna head on to the hill. The camera shifted, so we're gonna have to make a permanent fixture so that it doesn't do that. On top of that, we're also gonna be shooting our guns, making sure those are still on, and if they're not, obviously we'll be going to the gun range and getting that taken care of. Let's just see how this morning goes. Y'all enjoy. Just got to our little spot that we're going to be shooting from. We got our 2 test targets set up. Got 2 paper plates with some paint. We are at location. You guys will not be able to see the targets, but about 100 yards straight through the gap. Dad will be shooting his Remington 700 243.
turn this up a little bit. I'm on number 6 and 100 on my spot. Most of my shots are 140 to 225 yards back where I hunt.
You'll see what my dad shot. See if he hit his target.
We'll see if the gun hadn't been shot since last year. That's the first shot. See if I might have to go to the range inside then.
To the right. Up and to the right.
Yeah, I'm fine with the high, but that right, we got to get that corrected.
Take number 2. Wind to the left. Same height.
Okay.
Take number 3. Low left.
Alright, well I'm just going to make a square. I would say I'm shooting left an inch and a half at 100 yards.
Now it's my turn. See what I can't hit. I'm using a Savage Axis 270. I'm gonna shoot twice. Oh baby. Got 1 and 2. First shot, second shot.
I'd say you're tuned in.
Alright, well I don't have to go to the gun range. Savage 270 doing its job. Really, the scope. Like I say, Nikon 4x12 Pro Staff. The other gun I want to use is my trusty Savage 243. It's a youth model. It's got a 3x9 Nikon Pro Staff scope. I shoot that gun one time and it hits the target in the bullseye every time. Very, very rarely do I ever have to sight that gun in. But I'll get that on video one of these weekends and show you guys the old trusty 243. Well, we've got to this part of the video where we start packing things up and head on home. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We got a little bit more work done and we probably won't be back down here until opening weekend of bow season, which is the first weekend of October. So until then, you guys take care. I will see y'all on the next one.